Introduction to Robotics. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Alpha Science Academy, where we explore the latest in science and technology. In this video, we will dive into the world of robot technology. History of robots. The origins of robotics can be traced back to the early 20th century, when inventors began developing machines that could perform tasks previously done by humans. However, it wasn't until the 1960s that the first industrial robots were introduced, and they quickly became a vital component of manufacturing and production lines. Current robot technology. Today, robots are used in many industries, including manufacturing, healthcare, agriculture, transportation, and space exploration. In manufacturing, robots are used to perform tasks such as welding, painting, and assembly, which require a high degree of precision and repetition. In healthcare, robots are used to assist with surgeries, helping doctors to perform procedures with greater accuracy and less invasiveness. In agriculture, robots are used to perform tasks such as planting and harvesting crops, which can improve efficiency and reduce labor costs. And in space exploration, robots are used to explore and gather data from planets and moons in our solar system. Future of robotics. The future of robotics is expected to be even more advanced and sophisticated than the current state. One potential development is the increased autonomy of robots, which could be enabled by advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning. Robots could also become more flexible and adaptable, with the development of soft robotics and micro and nano robots. Human-robot collaboration is also expected to become more common, with robots working alongside humans in more industries and applications. Conclusion. Robot technology has come a long way since its origins in the early 20th century, and it continues to evolve at a rapid pace. From manufacturing to healthcare to space exploration, robots have had a significant impact on many industries, and they are likely to play an even greater role in the future. As the technology continues to advance, it is important to consider the potential ethical and societal implications of robotics, and to ensure that robots are used in ways that align with our values and priorities. Thank you for watching this video on robot technology from Alpha Science Academy. Join our platform. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on science and technology. And don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts and suggestions for future videos. Thanks again for watching.